Well, hey guys, thought I'd do something a little different today. I'm going to show you how to cook a whole chicken in an Instant Pot, and this is how I do it. Now what I've got here is I've got a 5-pound thawed chicken, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to season it. And this is where you can't go wrong. Just go to your cabinet and get your favorite seasonings out. Personally, I like liquid smoke, and I got some of this Lowry seasoning salt, got a little garlic salt, got me some pepper. Hey, you may like olive oil, you may like lemon juice, but like I say, there's really no right or wrong to this. So first thing let's do, let's season this chicken up. We'll put a little liquid smoke on it. Now we're going to put a little Lowry seasoning salt on it. A little garlic salt. And a little pepper. We'll rub it in. And we're going to turn her back over, and we're going to do the other side. Next thing I want to do is I want to put in a can of chicken broth. This is actually a 14.5 ounce can. So I'll just pour that right in. Next thing I want to do is I want to put my little rack in. That way it'll be easier to get it out. Alright, next thing we're just going to set our chicken right inside our pot like so. Okay, a thawed chicken, you want to cook it 6 minutes per pound. So this was a 5-pound chicken, so we're going to cook it for 30 minutes. So let's put our lid on. Okay, we want to set it on pressure cook. We want to go to 30 minutes. And what we want to do, when we get through, we want to let it release pressure on its own. So let's come back in 30 minutes. We'll get our chicken out and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, let's take the lid off and take a look at it. Well, let's cut into it and see what we think. Wow, nice white meat. Okay, hot. Delicious. Hope you enjoyed that little video watching me cook a whole chicken in an Instant Pot. If you did, hey, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.